everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to change Thinkific account's password using the Thinkific mobile application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up the Thinkific application on your mobile device. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile picture or your name or your initial at the top right corner. This will then open up your profile. Click on My Information drop-down and click on Password. Now, this will take you to your Thinkific's website. Type in your password that you want to change to in the first text box. Right after you do that, go to the next box and type in the password once more. And once you have both the box filled, click on Update. And that way, you will be able to change your password on Thinkific app. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.